this video, I'll show you how to easily extract WhatsApp group members and community members using the Leadwave WhatsApp marketing tool. First, open Leadwave on your device. Once the dashboard is loaded, look for the Group Grabber option and click on it. This feature allows you to access and manage all the WhatsApp groups connected to your account. After clicking on Group Grabber, you will see a list of all your available groups. Now, select the specific group from which you want to extract members. Once you select the group, simply click on the Export Participant button. With just one click, Leadwave will automatically collect and export all the group members' data for you. Now, if you want to extract community members, the process is almost the same. Go to the Community section inside Leadwave. From there, select your desired community. After selecting the community, again, click on the Export Participant option. This will export all the members from that community quickly and efficiently. The entire process is very fast and user-friendly. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes to complete, depending on the size of the group or community. So this is how you can extract WhatsApp group and community members using Leadwave. Thanks for watching.